If you wish to adjust the water volume or pause the process, press the matcha button again. A beep will sound and the operation will pause. The light will flash white. To resume operation, press the matcha button again. To cancel the process, press the matcha button again. A beep will sound and the operation will pause. Press and hold the matcha button until a beep sounds. If you wish to whisk only, replace the whisking cup containing your matcha shot on the cup rest. Press the whisk button. The light will glow white. After approximately 10 seconds of whisking, the beep will sound and the light will turn off. To make matcha powder, first remove the magnetic whisk from the whisking cup. Then place a fully dried cup or a small dry dish on the cup rest. Select your desired matcha strength using the adjustment dial. Press the powder button to start. The light will glow white. The grinding time varies depending on the selected strength. When the process is complete, a beep will sound and the light will turn off. To stop mid-process, press the powder button again to pause. The light will flash white. To resume operation, press the powder button again. To cancel the process, press the powder button to pause. Then press and hold the powder button until a beep sounds.